Hello friends, I'm Professor Shogata Majumdar, Assistant Professor at Army Institute of Management, Kolkata. Today we're going to discuss upon Introduction to Human Resource Management. This video is helpful for the students of MBA, BBA and other management courses where human resource management is one of the paper. So to start with, let's see why human resource management. The human resource management are the people of the organization who are the human resource. People are the foundation of any organization. They lead, they control the staff organization. An organization might have a sound plan, proper finance, proper marketing tools, but if they do not have people, who will going to do everything? So this is the time where organization has understood the importance of people, and these peoples are referred as human resources, and managing these people is known as human resource management, or in short HRM. So human resource management is one of the essential functions of management, which is concerned with managing people in organization. It is concerned with the principles, policies, and practices related to human aspects of management. It aims at achieving organizational objective through the efficient and effective mobilization of human resources. So what we can say is that human resource management is the function of management which going to deal with the people of the organization, managing them so that ultimately the organization can achieve its goal. So we can say that human resource management is a process. It's like a system. Each system has got an input, process, and output. Similarly, the human resource management has got an input. What is the input? Inputs are the skills, knowledge, competencies, energies of the people or the personnel. Those are processed to different functions of human resource management, and output is the achievement of organizational objective. So we can say that human resource management is like a system. Now, this how this concept of human resource management has evolved. The evolution of human resource management. Various practitioners has got their own opinions. Different academicians, different practitioners has contributed tremendously for the development of human resource management. The pioneer in this field, we can talk about the Robert Owen and Charles Babbage. Similarly, there are a lot of things happen in past history, like industrial revolution, the concept of scientific management by F.W. Taylor, the classical theories, and latest the contribution of behavioral science and organizational development had influenced the development of personal management and human resource management. So we can say that human resource management is a discipline where the contribution is done by various persons related to the allied subject like psychology, sociology, anthropology, which makes human resource management a specialized field. So to continue with this, the evolution of human resource management can be classified into four categories. Early scientific management, that is before industrial revolution, where the peoples are treated as a commodity, they are treated as slaves, they are treated as machines. No benefits are given to them. They are given they are given minimum amount of wages. There is no fixed rules and regulation. There comes the contribution of scientific management, where Taylor takes the most first steps toward the development of human resource. He introduced the scientific selection, recruitment, scientific way of training, division of labor. Later on, Elton Mayo and his team has contributed in the field of human relations management in terms of their Hawthorne studies, which is a major contribution in this field. And latest is the new HRM era, where we treat human resource as an asset, as a capital of the organization. Why they are assets? Because the companies are investing on them, and in return they are getting benefit out of them. And this is the only asset which appreciate with the time. It never get depreciated. So if we look at the nature of human resource management, human focus, that is people concerned, develop and utilize human potential, regard people as an important assets of organization. Management functions where these principles of management, levels of managers are for helping out in giving human resource management a proper shape. The dynamic scenario, that is the change in the political, legal, economical, social changes are affecting the human resource management. Mutual orientation, that is the relationship between employers and employees. Of course, the continuous ongoing activity, that means this is human resource management is not a one day concept, it is an ongoing process. Through the slowly drama changes that we bring into an organization, that will going to develop the human resource and ultimately is going to benefit the organization. So if we look at the component of human resource management, the first component is human resource planning, where we plan out like how many people we need for our organization. That is the process of identifying the demand and supply of manpower in an organization. If an organization has an expansion plan, so if they to expand, how many extra number of people we need to recruit, or do we have a x number of employees in the organization? So all these things are studied in this human resource planning aspect. There are different techniques of doing this planning, which we're going to discuss in later on. Then comes the recruitment and selection. This recruitment process is the process of generating the application from the potential applicant. And selection is the selecting the right person for the right job through different techniques. This is later on we'll discuss different techniques of selection, different the techniques of recruitment as well in the coming videos. Similar to this, there comes the performance management. This is we're going to evaluate the performance of an job holder, how he or she is performing on his present roles and responsibilities, and there are different ways of grading them, ranking them. There comes the training and development part. This training and development part is again an important aspect in human resource management. Employees need to be trained, they need to be skilled so that they can sustain in an organization, and this training is required for both new and the existing employees. Then comes the employee management relation. This is again an important aspect. This is mainly talking about the industrial relation, that is relationship between employees and employer, organization and the government. When there is a sound relationship between all the actors of industrial relation, then only we can say the companies is doing well. And the latest one is management information system, which we called as human resource information system. It's a part of MIS, where today everything is being digitalized. Our government is also in taken initiative, lot of initiative in this field in terms of digital India. So this human resource information system, use of ERP packages is there, so that the entire process become paperless, and with the click of a mouse we can get the detail of an individual. So the broadly, this all the processes functions are mainly done for three vital reasons. First, to attract the quality workforce. Second, to develop the quality workforce. And third, to maintain the quality workforce. Now, to attract the quality workforce, the functions that are related to the attraction of quality workforce are like human resource planning, recruitment, and selection. Secondly, for development of quality workforce, it involves employee orientation, training, development, and performance appraisal. Third, to maintain a quality work, that means to sustain, to retain those quality workforce. What we need to do is the career development of the employee, work life balance, that is how to balance between personal life and professional life, proper compensation, salary, benefit, incentive has to be given, retention policy, retention strategy has to be there to retain the best person in the organization, lesser minimize the turnover rate, that is to restrict the employee from leaving the organization by paying them properly, giving better services, better benefit, and of course improving labor management relationship. If we can do this, we can have a very good human resource management in an organization. So to reiterate, we can also say that attracting a quality workforce require human resource planning, recruitment, and selection. These three processes are the important processes deal with attracting a quality workforce. Then, to develop the quality workforce, this development of quality workforce require this induction, orientation, training and development, performance appraisal. If we have proper performance appraisal, if we give them proper training, if we have a proper orientation and induction means the welcoming of new employee, we can develop a quality workforce. Similarly, for sustaining and maintaining good quality workforce, we need proper career development, work life balance, compensation and benefit, retention and the minimization of turnover, and proper labor management relation. If we do this, then only will be having a proper quality workforce will be retained to us. So these are the certain functions of human resource management: human resource planning, acquisition, utilization, development, maintenance of human resources, control of human resources, harmonious employer-employee relationship, attainment of organizational objective. But there are certain challenges to human resource management. In today's context, the first important challenge is globalization. That is, the world has become a global village where the people from different countries are working in a same organization. There are diversified culture. So this is a challenge in front of HR manager to uh, create and work culture where people from various world can contribute. Second is technological advancement is happening. A lot of new technologies are coming in where lesser number of people are required to do one job. So what to do with so excess number of people? We cannot throw them out within a day or so. So how to upgrade their skills so that they can match up with the latest technology. Nature of work is another important aspect. Composition and size of workforce, where we mean that today composition of workforce has got the Gen Y employees, Gen X employees, Gen Z employees, as well as sometimes we have the boomers also there in an organization. So how to manage this diversified composition of people? Employees expectations are changing. The earlier employees expectations and the new generation employee expectations are completely different. The lifestyle has changed. So these are the different challenges that the HR managers are facing. Temporary employees, organizations are much focusing on temporary employees, how to motivate them, how to retain them so that they can contribute at par with the permanent employee. Impact of new economic policies, and of course government ideology will be the major area of concern in case of challenges to human resource management. So with this, I've come to end of this video. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it, subscribe it. Thank you so much. I'll again come back to with you in the next video with a new exciting model. Thank you.